In this video, I will show you how to download Fortnite on PC or laptop. So first of all, you have to open up a web browser of your choice and simply search for epicgames.store. Now, on the website's main interface, you very simply have to click on download that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on download, the installation for the Epic installer will begin. Now, you have to wait for at least a minute until your installation is completed. After your installation is completed, you very simply have to run the setup program and install the launcher. Once your launcher is ready to be used, you very simply have to close the web browser and open up the Epic Games launcher. Now, on the launcher, if you want to install Fortnite, you very simply have to search for it. So I will simply search for Fortnite. Now from here, you very simply have to select the first option, that is Fortnite. Now on this interface, you have to click on Add in Library. As I already have this game in my library, it is showing me that this game is present in my library. But for you, you will see an option that says Add to Library. So you very simply have to do that, and once you're done, you have to click on your library. On your library, you have to find Fortnite and click on it. Then you have to select the location of your game. If you want, you can also change it by simply browsing through your files. Once you're done, you can now check the installation size that this game requires around 111.51 gigabytes. Once you're done, you very simply have to click on install and the installation of Fortnite will begin shortly. So everyone, as you can see, now my Fortnite is being installed on my system. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.